Okay, YouTube. This video is about how did I build my own pool under 5 minutes. I mean, filling it took about 45 minutes. That's one thing, but setting it up took me literally 5 minutes, not 10. So basically, I have a pickup truck with 6-foot bed. To me, it's one of the best truck in the world. It's Toyota Tacoma, 3.5 liter, off-road edition. So anyhow, basically you gotta get, first things first, remove everything under your, from your trunk, anything that's sharp, whatever, get them out of there. I had a bed cover, so I removed that as well. And you gotta get a thick plastic. This is from a big box store. This is basically a 6 mil plastic sheeting. So I double dip it like this. So I basically fold it once and then fold it twice. And basically you have to give it a lot of extra in it, because the water will expand and push it all to the sides. As you know, the water will exert forces towards the walls and, bottom of it as well. Just about same. So then you gotta get a clean water, which I have here, garden hose. You just turn it on. Right now it's off, but so add the water, and then boom, after about 2 hours under the sun, it gets nice and warm to get in and play. Yep, so you can do it with Tacoma.